Hello everyone, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain you about three MacBooks. The first one is MacBook Air 13.6 inch and second one is MacBook Pro 13.3 inch and third one is MacBook Pro 14.2 inch. These are the three devices which is available in market. Here I am explaining you all the features of MacBook Air and MacBook Pro 14.2 and 13.3. Okay, first I will start with MacBook Air M2 chip. Okay, the last device, the blue color, here you can see this is MacBook Air 13.6 inch. In MacBook Air totally three models are there. One is MacBook Air 13.3 and one more is MacBook Air 13.6. This is actually MacBook Air 13.6 and the last one is MacBook Air 15.3. First I will start with the design. Here they actually using the metal finish, the complete metal. Not only this model, all MacBook comes with the metal finish only, but design wise, here the small notch is there, and normally when you're comparing with the MacBook Air 13.3, normally display got increased, the display size got increased like 0.3 inch bigger than MacBook Air 13.3. The size 13.6 and the chipset M2 chip they actually using, and the design wise also this is actually the better one, and even keyboard design everything. Okay, not only the display and not only the keyboard, all designs actually the better one. Normally it looks same like MacBook Air 13.3 only. The display wise, the display bezels got decreased. Okay, that's why it looks little nice. Normally MacBook Pros comes with the liquid retina display, but even here also the same display they actually using. That's why the color contrast ratio and the brightness level will be little high. Next about storage, here there are two variants are there. One is 256 GB and one more is 512. Okay, and the RAM also, both models comes with 8 GB RAM. Next we'll talk about the MacBook Pro 13.3. Okay, while you are comparing with MacBook Air 13.6 versus MacBook Pro 13.3, the difference is the display size. Okay, MacBook Pro comes with the smaller size. Here they're using 13.3. Okay, and the main difference will be the graphics, the GPU and CPU. Okay, and here the touch bar. Okay, normally in MacBook Air 13.6 there is no touch bar, and the course wise the graphics actually little lower. Even in this model also the chipset actually the same. Here also they using M2 chip only, but the graphics actually little higher when you compare with the MacBook Air 13.6. While you are compared with the design wise also, the display design here because of same like MacBook Air M1. Okay, there is no difference about the display design because MacBook Pro 14.2 inch and MacBook Air 13.6 both devices comes with the same design. Okay, and MacBook Pro 13.3 inch and MacBook Air 13.3 inch comes with same display designs. There is no difference. Okay. Next we'll talk about MacBook Pro 14.2. This is MacBook Pro 14.2. Okay, even this model also the design looks like a MacBook Air only. Even here also there is no touch bar, so the design wise there is no difference while you are comparing with MacBook Air 13.6 inch, but the display size actually the bigger one. MacBook Pro comes with 14.2 inch and MacBook Air 13.6 inch and MacBook Pro 13.3 inch. The display size, MacBook Pro 14.2 actually the bigger one, and 13.6 MacBook Air actually the smaller one, and 13.3 inch MacBook Pro actually two smaller. Normally 13.3 inch actually the bigger one, but while you are comparing with 14.2 inch and 13.6 inch, then 13.3 actually the smaller one. Next about battery, MacBook Air 13.6 inch comes with 18 hours of battery, and MacBook Pro 13.3 inch comes with 20 hours of battery, and MacBook Pro 14.2 inch comes with 18 hours of battery. But in these three model, the battery wise MacBook Pro 13.3 inch actually the better one because they actually using 20 hours of battery, and MacBook Air 13.6 inch and MacBook Pro 14.2 inch comes with 18 hours of battery. It depend on your usage. No one can say the exact battery hours how will last, but it depend on your usage how you're using. For your normal use, then it will last around 24 hours also. And if you're using roughly means continuous, if you're using or editing, then the battery will be last around 10 hours or 12 hours, it depends. Okay. The MacBook Pro 14.2 inch, they mainly focusing for the editing purpose like movie editing and all, because the MacBook Pro 14.2, it comes with M2 Pro and M2 Max chip. Even in MacBook Pro 14.2 also there are two variants are there. One is 512 and one more is 1 TB. In MacBook Air 13.6 inch, it comes with the M2 chip, and MacBook Pro 13.3 inch, it comes with the M2 chip, and MacBook Pro 14.2 inch comes with the M2 Pro and M2 Max chip. This is actually the difference between the chipset. The major difference between these three models is, one is the display size. Okay, MacBook Air comes with 13.6 inch, MacBook Pro comes with 13.3 inch, and MacBook Pro comes with 14.2 inch. Okay, the first difference is the display size, and the next difference is the touch bar. In MacBook Air M2 13.6 inch, it don't have a touch bar. In MacBook Pro 13.3 inch, it comes with touch bar, and MacBook Pro 14.2 inch, even in that model also touch bar is not there. The next difference will be the battery. In MacBook Air 13.6 inch comes with 18 hours of battery, and MacBook Pro 13.3 inch comes with 20 hours of battery, and MacBook Pro 14.2 inch comes with 18 hours of battery. The battery wise, MacBook Pro 13.3 actually the better one. The next difference will be the chipset. MacBook Air 13.6 inch comes with the M2 chip. MacBook Pro 13.3 inch comes with the M2 chip. And MacBook Pro 14.2 inch comes with M2 Pro and M2 Max chip. And the weight wise also, MacBook Pro 14.2 inch actually the weightest device, and when you compare with MacBook Pro 13.3 and MacBook Air 13.6. If you're looking for the lightweight, then you can go for MacBook Air 13.6 inch. Pro models a little weight. I think it will be little hard to carry, but the processing speed wise, Pro actually is the faster one. Okay, for your normal use, like for your work purpose, you can go for Air, or else you can go for Pro. This is actually the small video of MacBook comparison. I will share you the detailed video of each devices. I told right, the major difference will be the size and battery and the touch bar and some processing like processor, like the chipset and the cores, like that. Okay. Do one thing, just decide about your purchasing. If you have any doubts about these three devices, then comment below. I am ready to answer for your questions. If you like the video, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I will back with another video. Thank you. Bye bye.